right, second graders. Some people wanted harder math. So I will send a screenshot of this paper. But I want to talk about it a little bit, okay? So in my experience, people dive in and they go too quickly. They just look at this and they read this and they go 0 minus 3 is 3. But that is not the case. You cannot take 3 from 0. It cannot be done. So you have to rearrange what's on top here. You have to go over here to the next digit and regroup. Take one of those and bring it back. And you need to ask yourself every time, can I do this? And I hate to draw this once again. I've drawn it so much. You're going to remember Mrs. Betts for these little houses, but you need to know what each position is called, what place. This chart, what I'm drawing, boys and girls, is called place value. And you need to know how it works and which number or digit's a better word, belongs where. So this is where the ones go, the tens, the hundreds, and this one we haven't talked a lot about, but you've wanted harder math. So this is in third grade. You will go into the thousands, 3 digits on the thousands place. So look at this first number, 5,800. So if I were to put this in here, 5,800, there are no ones in this number. There are no tens in this number. Their value is 0, but you still put a 0 there to hold the place. Now, what are they asking? They're saying minus 833. I can't take 3 when there's nothing there. So I have to go next door. There's nothing there. Now what? Go next door. Here's some that I can regroup. So I cross that out. Let's do it up here. I cross that out and make it 1 lower because I borrowed it. I'm taking it to give myself more over here. So I take that 100 and I have to put it in the very next place next to it. So how many tens are there in 100? So if I take this 100, now 7 are there. And I'm going to put it over here, but I can't put it over there as a block. I've got to break it up into those sticks. How many sticks do you get for one of those squares that are 100? Back in class 10, right? Right? 10 can't stay there like that. You can only have 1 digit in each spot, but we need to do some business over here. So let me show this on my digits up here. So this is a 10, and I still need to get some for my ones place. So I'm going to take one of the sticks. Now I don't have 10, I have 9, and I'm going to bring that stick over here. So you have a stick, a 10 rod, 10 stick, and we have no ones. So what does that total up to? 10. So I'm going to go over here. I took 1 from there. That made it 9. Bring it back. 10. Is that what you got? And now, if you look closely, let me see if I can zoom in. Can you see that? Now we can do it. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 7 minus 8. Oh, I can't do that. You can't take 8 away from 7. So I need to go over here and make that one smaller. Let me go back to my houses. What I needed to do is I went next door. I borrowed 1,000. So that's 1 less, and bring this one back. When you turn 1,000 into hundreds, there's 10 of them. So 10 hundreds plus this 7 is what is actually 170. But we show 17 here because it's in the hundreds place. So bring that one that you borrowed back. 17 minus 8 is 9. And then 4 nothings here. Bring down your 4. If you really want to give yourself a challenge, boys and girls, those of you that wanted harder math, on the side or even on another piece of paper, you take your answer and add it to what you subtracted, and it should give you this answer. So I'm going to do this one. Here we go. 4,967 plus what I was subtracting here, 833. And this probably will be pretty easy for you guys. 7 plus 3 is 10. Put down my 0, carry my 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. 9, 10 plus 8 is 18. Carry my 1. 4 and 1 is 5. Does my answer here match the top number here? If it does, I did all of this correctly. Boys and girls, if you would practice this and you got quick and you were accurate, your math would be off the charts. Good luck. Send me a picture of your results.